Ensure safe breathing zones for your welders with our portable weld fume extractor, the SMOKEY. Portable fume extractors are key for improving air quality and helping to reduce exposure from potential airborne contaminants. Removing weld fumes, dust, and other pollutants right as they are produced, the SMOKEY is designed for easy transport and positioning. Equipped with a MERV 15 rated nanofiber filter that captures airborne contaminants as small as 0.5 micron, cleaner air is guaranteed. It comes with a flexible 10-foot externally articulated capture arm that allows for easy positioning so you can remove contaminants right at the source. Outperforming its competition, the high suction and capture velocity of this unit extracts and filters dust and fumes further from the hood. The SMOKEY is also compliant with OSHA guidelines for controlling weld fumes. It has a 1.5 horsepower TEFC motor producing 1200 CFM at the hood, a rotary starter, and a 15-foot 120-volt power cord. For more information about the SMOKEY portable fume extractor, visit our website readyarc.com or give us a call.